Hello, Dr. Hanson. My name is Trent Youthy. I will be taking EDU 526 with you this summer. Um, a little bit about myself. I'm reading off my notes here, so if you see me looking down, it's because of that. About myself, I graduated in 2012 from the University of Montana in Missoula, Montana, with a Bachelor's of Arts in Spanish. I also studied one semester abroad in Chile, South America, when I was in college. That's where I went. That's where I met my now wife, Karina. I just finished my first year teaching Spanish 1 and 2 at Lincoln High School, where I also went to high school here in Sioux Falls. Next year, I'm slated to teach Spanish 2 again, and also two different Spanish immersion classes. I'll be teaching world geography and global issues for Spanish immersion students. So it'll be essentially um, the same curriculum as the world geography and global issues in English, except that it'll all be taught in Spanish with a Spanish textbook and Spanish resources. Um, I would eventually like to teach more Spanish immersion content classes and AP. I enjoyed Spanish 1 and 2. I really enjoyed my students. But in terms of academic interest, I'm more I'm more drawn to the upper level classes like the AP, like those Spanish immersion content classes, like history classes, literature classes, things like that. So yeah, that's my kind of my education, uh, some of my goals in terms of where I want to be in a couple of years. Um, what's important to me, what I love, at the top of that list, I would have to say my family, my wife Karina, and my cat Toby are my immediate family, my nuclear family right now. We are in the process of buying a house. We close on June 7th, and my parents, coincidentally, are also selling their house. So they're actually and they're building a new house, so they're going to be living with us this summer. So it'll be them and Karina and I and our cat Toby, their dog Benny, and my brother, who is a college student at Augie. He'll also live with us over the summer, so we'll have the full house. Um, Other things, I really enjoy traveling, domestically and abroad. I love reading movies, TV shows, any sort of storytelling medium. I love running. I'm a big sports fan. Um, love animals. My wife and I, we try to get to the Humane Society every weekend to do some volunteer work. And I gotta say, I highly value my friendships, and just relationships in general with my colleagues, friends, family, people in general. I'm a people person. I like being around people. I like meeting new people. I like having conversations about anything from uh, the twins to uh, more profound philosophical conversations to stupid dad joke conversations. But anyway, that's a little bit about me. I look forward to meeting you, I guess, tomorrow. And I'm really excited about the course.